Good morning, my name is Cameron. I think I should be school deputy because I will take other people's opinions and what I would like to be part of the school council. I haven't been in this school long, just 6 to 8 months, but I would like this opportunity because I want everybody to have a fair vote in what we all want. I am very organised and sociable. I promise I will get a goal unit from raising money and other equipment in the school. If you vote for me, I am 100% positive I will make it school at its best. I hope you have a good day.
Hello, my name is Daisy, and many of you know me because I've been here way too long. Anyways, if you don't know me, I have 3 siblings, so I'm good for standing up for myself. I would support the head girl or boy in their choices, and I too would make some myself. If you don't know, if you have any ideas for clubs or food ideas, anything, come to me and I promise to make your voice be heard. I would also try to add more better equipment to the playground. I would try to make an arts and crafts club. And I would also try to promise to discover more about having more trips. Thank you for listening to me, Daisy. Vote for me for deputy.
Hello, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Jim. I am standing here because I'm in year 6 and I want to be head girl. I'm aware that there are new people here today, so here's a little bit about me. I have been here forever, so since year 4, and my interests are reading, writing, dance, and overall creative things. Because of my interests, I think outside the box, which will make me more open to ways of changing things. Now, you younger ones might be thinking, what does she know? She's old, she's in year 6, but that's where you're wrong, because I have an agent, also called a sister, in Key Stage 1. So she will inform me what life is like in Key Stage 1. You also might be thinking, why? Why should we vote her? Well, let me tell you. I have been in school council in the past, and I am organized and confident with public speaking, so your ideas will be heard. So I can't promise you a pool or cupcakes in class, but I will attend all the school council meetings, listen, and contribute ideas. I am gregarious, which basically means I talk a lot, so I will be easy to approach. I will collect all ideas, so if you're a bit shy, don't worry, I don't bite. When I become head girl, I will change the school, because that is our job. As the younger generation, it's our job to stand up and do something. This is what I will do. I will get a choice for girls to wear trousers and shorts, and for boys to wear skirts. I will instate new clubs like band club. I will love to get half an hour every week to do a crafty session. I will also add more bake sales to raise money for charity and for playground equipment, and also a mini garage sale of used things. Once again, my name is June, and you should vote me for head girl because not only will I change the school, so will you, by simply speaking up. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to seeing your vote.
Good morning. My name is Xavier, and I would love to be your next head boy. I am from year 6 and I've been here 2 years and I want to make some improvements. Now, let me tell you some things about me. I like playing football, playing with friends and playing games sometimes. I'm quite confident with being a leader as I make friends easily and can provide guidance with any worries. I can't promise crazy water slides or a big fun park, but I can promise to help if you're worried or if you need someone to talk to. Also, I will do some more charity events to raise money for playground equipment, such as sporting equipment. I would love the job because I want the responsibility and the challenge. So just to recap, I am Xavier, Casper's brother, and look forward to getting your votes.
Hello, I'm Rishi, and I would like to be the next head boy. If you don't know me very well, I can tell you that I will be a great head boy. I joined Hollygirt in Year 4 at Easter. My favourite sport and hobby is cricket, and my favourite subject is maths. I want the job because I will be good at making decisions and I can be a good friend. When I become head boy, I promise to be the best head boy I can. I promise I will be as supportive as I can. I promise I will help each and every one of you. If you vote for me, I will prove to you that you have made the right choice. I am Rishi, and I will be proud to be your next head boy.
Good morning. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Sebastian and I am here in front of you to speak about the head and deputy role. I would like to run for head boy. I have been a student at Hollygirt School since I was 3 years old. I will be a good head boy for I have lots of experience as I have been on school council twice. I will be perfect for this job because I listen to people very well and I will attend all meetings. I promise that I will add themed menus. For example, on Languages Day, we could have Italian food. When I get elected, I will listen, so you should vote for me. I will help you. If you act for something, I promise that I will deliver it. My name is Sebastian. Thank you for listening to my speech. I look forward to representing you when I'm elected.